Welcome to Investing 101, Investing Made Easy and Simple. This is how you can start investing in 4 simple steps. Number 1 is understand what your investment goal is, your investment plan is. Literally, what is your plan and your goal? What is your why? Why are you investing? What do you want to achieve? This would help you to understand and tailor your investment plan and goal to suit you. Number 2, when you've done that, you now need to decide, okay, what is my risk profile? How much risk am I willing to take? How much money am I comfortable losing? So this will now help you streamline and understand whether you're a low risk investor, a medium risk investor, a high risk investor, which will now outline the various investment opportunities and options available to you based on your risk profile. Number 3 is, after you've done those 2 things and you now know the investment options available to you, you now decide to choose what investments you want. So for example, if you're a low risk investor, the options available to you probably be fixed income investments, bonds, treasury bills, money market funds, etc. If you're a medium risk investor, then you're gonna have mutual funds, ETFs, index funds, things like that. If you're a high to volatile risk investor, then the stock market, equity, private equity, then you might even consider a little bit of crypto in. And you might even consider mixing a little bit of crypto into your investment portfolio. Now that is the 3rd step. Now the 4th and final step is start investing. How you might ask? Open an investment account, fund this account with whatever amount of money you're willing to invest, and then automate your investment. You could automate it weekly or monthly. So this takes away the stress of you having to always fund an investment account, or this also prevents you from forgetting to invest your money to build wealth. So fund this account, then select and choose the investments you want based on your risk profile. So if you want to invest in a mutual fund investment, after you funded the account, you just search for the mutual fund investment and invest in it. If you want to invest in index funds, equities, commodities, you do the same thing. So it's as simple as ABC. But the point is, you have to be willing to start. You'd have to want to start. Bye, guys.